Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about ethics. What it is, and why it exists. Let's get started. What is ethics? The word ethics comes from the Greek ethos, which means character or moral nature. It refers to the branch of philosophy that studies the morality of human acts. In other words, it is concerned with the question of right and wrong, good and bad in human action. Why does ethics exist? Ethics exists because human beings by nature, number 1, are able to distinguish between what is good and bad, right and wrong, moral and immoral. For example, we know by nature that treating others well is good, while hurting them is bad. Number 2, feel within themselves an obligation to do what is good and avoid what is bad. Just as when we feel the duty to save someone who is about to die. And lastly, feel accountable for their actions. When we do good, we naturally expect a reward or a punishment if we have done something bad. We feel guilty, for instance, for having stolen something, even if no one saw us doing it. Because of these natural ethical experiences, it can be said that man is endowed by nature with a moral sense. In other words, he is naturally conscious of his moral capacity and responsibility, and therefore must submit to the study of ethics, or of what is good and what is bad. So in this short video we talked about what ethics is and why it exists. If you learned something new from it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future videos on language and philosophy. Thank you very much and have a great day.